Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all of those social networks, as well as like email lists, blogs, anywhere that you can get traffic to your offer. That's simply just a distribution channel, a way to get your message out just through like an advertising medium. So I want you to think just for a second. If you think about Starbucks, someone who invests in a Starbucks location, their entire business is based around selling like coffee. And this is an Amazon Fresh coffee, but you get the idea. So their entire message, their product, their service is based around just like people coming in and getting coffee every single day. And the problem with that lies in the fact that there's a very limited amount of people who can actually go in and out of a store every single day. Like, you can't go above the fire marshal's limit of a store. Like, you'll get shut down, you'll get in trouble, and that really puts a limit on what's possible within the franchise owner's business. Like, they can't go above and beyond what that limit is. It's simply not allowed. However, with online marketing and digital marketing and things like that, what's cool is that once you develop a system, like when you figure out what your message is and your product, and you've created like a sales funnel to bring someone along the process of becoming a customer, you can simply go into different distribution centers. Like if something's working and converting on Facebook, you can usually make it work on, you know, like Google Display. You can go onto YouTube, you can go onto even buy like banner ads on people's websites. You can basically take the sales funnel that you've created, and you're gonna have to change little things throughout the whole process, but you can take that overall idea, that overall message, and basically buy as much traffic as you want. So there's almost an endless, like a limitless supply of traffic when it comes to online marketing and sales. So if you aren't tapping into that, you need to remember the fact that these networks are pretty much unlimited amounts of traffic. So if you have an online store, or if you have a product that you might start off with selling something online, like giving a free ebook or free shipping offer or anything like that, what you can do is once you figure out the system, like the steps they convert on one network, you can take that and you can basically like tap into all the other traffic streams. You can start paying influencers to send traffic to your offer. You can get on YouTube and you can run YouTube ads. You can get on Google Display and run Google banner ads. You can even do like sponsored blog posts on high traffic websites. You can do email blasts, solo ads, all that kind of stuff. And that's the beauty of mastering online marketing and digital marketing, is you can actually step into and tap into an endless supply of traffic. So keep that in mind the next time that you're trying to figure out why something's not working. A lot of the time what you can do is you can simply change up the message a little bit and go to a different network. So if something's not converting on Facebook, maybe that network, maybe the cold audience from Facebook just isn't appropriate for your product or your offer. For instance, in traditional businesses, a lot of the time it's hard to create a customer from Facebook because people on Facebook or people on Instagram are just kind of like browsing through their phone and they're not in the buying mood. So what would happen is if you go over to Google Display Network, or you're doing like pay-per call offers, or even if you're creating YouTube videos that address the issues that they have, what happens is this is more like a solution-based question. Google is where people go when they have questions and they want immediate answers. Facebook is where people just go and like basically are just passing time. The same with Instagram. People log on there and they just like endlessly scroll looking for something that looks kind of cool. YouTube people go to for, you know, answering questions, and the same with Google. If someone wants to get like go to a restaurant in their local town, they're gonna type in best restaurant in city name, and then they're gonna, you know, click through to one of the top results. So you might need to change up your marketing so it addresses the actual need of your customer at the point that they're at in the customer's journey. You can and should be using the other social media networks to kind of keep in contact with your existing fan base, and you should have an email list as well, because that's a great way to do different promotional offers. So you can do like birthday specials, you can do a lot of like holiday sales, holiday special promotion offers, just things like that. And that's all part of the whole scope of a digital marketing campaign. Like you need to have the whole thing set up, just like a big sphere, like a mind map. So your business will be in the middle, over here, and each network will just flood people in. It'll drive people into your core offer. And then you'll of course have like retargeting ads and things that follow up to make more sales that are basically set up on autopilot so that they can kind of run without you. And that's the beauty, another great thing about digital advertising is you can schedule things and automate a large percentage of this process. So if you want to learn more about how you can actually do this, there's going to be a link down below where you can get on a call and chat with myself or business partners of mine where we can actually kind of walk you through this and come up with a strategy that'll help you with putting together a plan that works for your business. So thank you so much. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're on YouTube, like my page if you're on Facebook, and if you have questions, let me know down below. I'll see you in the next video.